Think View Page Source is your secret weapon for cracking Google Forms answers. Think again. Let's say you're trying to find the correct answers to a Google form, maybe for a practice quiz or to understand the structure. Your first instinct might be to right-click on the page and select View Page Source. You'll be presented with a page full of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, but here's the catch: Google Forms often uses dynamic content. This means the answers aren't directly embedded in the initial HTML source code, they're loaded later using JavaScript, so digging through this code jungle will likely leave you empty-handed. So, what can you do? If you own the form, the easiest solution is to simply check the Responses tab here. You'll find a summary of all the answers, and, if you've enabled it, you can even see individual responses. In the summary view, you can see overall trends and the correct answers if the form has been graded. This is the most straightforward way to see the answers when you have access to the form's backend. Alternatively, switch to the individual view to analyze each submission one by one. This is perfect for understanding how specific users answered and identifying any patterns. Another fantastic option is to link your Google form to a Google Sheet. Go to the Responses tab and click the Google Sheets icon to create a new spreadsheet or link to an existing one. This will automatically populate the sheet with all form submissions in an isotonalized format. While View Page Source might work in some simple cases, remember that for complex forms with dynamic content, these methods offer a far more reliable and efficient way to access the information you need. Now you can confidently navigate Google Forms and find the answers you seek.